Yo, fam, man, what's happening? And wheel swap. And it's not the Hot Wheels. Volvo, it's that no-name one. Nice details, like I said. It's not a Hot Wheels. I'm not sure what brand this is, but I didn't like the dulled wheels that it had on, so I put a set of custom wheels on it. It's nice that it's got the screws on the bottom so you can change the mags out on them. But I might have to shorten the axles on that. I don't know if I'll put axle tubes in there or make them solid, because I take the thicker paper clips, metal, do little rods, and I got a little mini drill bit. Find it. I see you take that to mag wheels, and that's one of the paper clip axles. And I don't know if I have an example here or not. Oh, really? See the second tires. So yeah, anyway, okay, well, this is an example. I'd snap the axles off that, use that drill bit to widen the little hole on the inside, and this here, instead of just talking about it. Sometimes I don't snap that. Sorry guys. Sorry. Yeah. You get better. Sorry. Sorry first. Yeah, kind of give you an idea. Breaking a little bit wrong. Yeah, so anyway, it's to widen that out to take an axle and that, just to give you an idea. Anyway, lots and lots of stuff. Nick Big East one.